Vintage pickup truck. From the 1960'S. Tin friction toy car. Chevrolet pickup truck. By company Ichimura & Co. Limited. Made in Japan. A little brief history about the company. Ichimura, a Japanese tin toy manufacturer, specialized in producing vintage tin toys, particularly between 1945 and 1970. These toys, often featuring friction mechanisms for movement, gained popularity among collectors of vintage toys and aviation enthusiasts. Ichimura is known for its detailed and authentic designs, including representations of aircraft like the Boeing 727 and American Airlines design planes. Collectors' items, their detailed and often unique designs have made them valuable pieces for collectors of vintage toys and aviation enthusiasts. Ichimura's impact. Ichimura's toys contributed to the popularity and appeal of tin toys in Japan during the mid-20th century.